Hi everyone. Before we solve quadratic equations by using the quadratic formula, let's derive first the quadratic formula. Okay, how did it come into existence? The general form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, as you can see here. Okay. Now if I'm going to ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, if I'm going to divide this by the left side by a, okay, if I'm going to divide this by a, I also have to do it in the other side. Okay, so that I can have an expression x squared plus b over ax, okay, plus c over a. This is equal to 0. 0 divided by a is just 0. Okay, now I say x squared plus b over ax. This is equal to minus c over a. I'm going to complete the left side of the equation and make it this a perfect square trinomial. So this is x squared plus b over ax plus 1 half. Okay, 1 half of b over a. 1 half of b over a. Okay, and then you square this one. I'll use. Should I use other color? Yes, I can. I'll use other color. Yeah. So plus 1 half of b over a, and then you square this one, which is just equal to minus c over a, of course, plus the same red expression on the left side of the equation, 1 half of b over a, then you also square it. Okay, simplifying further, this will give us x squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a, b over 2a. I just need it that way because I will need it later, minus c over a plus b over 2a squared also. Okay, and then in completing squares we only need, in expressing this to a square form, we only need these three items. Okay, so I can write it here, x plus b over 2a squared, and this is equal to minus c over a plus b squared over square of 2a. This is 4a squared. Okay, then this is x plus b over 2a squared. This is equal to 4a squared. Okay, so 4a squared divided by a is 4a times minus c is minus 4ac. 4ac plus b squared. Okay, then x plus b over 2a is equal to the square root of, I'll arrange this one, b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Okay, so x is equal to minus b over 2a, okay, plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and then the denominator is a perfect square. The square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of a squared is a. Okay, so combining uh, similar fractions here, so everyone will just be all over 2a. Okay, and this is minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. This is the quadratic formula. Okay, this is the quadratic formula. We will use this quadratic formula